Sen salvo e che ti devo dire?
Ei oo itse asiassa äänen kuule. Tai voi joku noista olla, koska nää on niin outoja. Hakkoitteja. Ihan saa. Okei, let's go. Yo.
Are you Jamalin Balin tactician? Who is the gift head?
I am Jamalin Balin.
Oh my god, you.
Our skins are the best. Okay, I take number 1.
You take 2.
Yes, I take number 1.
Okay.
You go to the mag and middle. Go.
Chain
Ready,
reaction.
Jamalin. This one going.
There's 2 on mag.
Yeah.
1, shot.
Dos.
1.
This one at me. I got him. Come to help with mag. Oh shit. This one in the middle, straight hit. I don't know if
I can't break
he's
it.
still there. They suck, you stay free. I'm going up north. How is he not dead?
What the heck?
Oh, I got the spawn nade thing. Now I'm just spawning all over the place. I have no idea what's stuck with. I got him.
One left coming from middle.
I know. Shit. There's one more guy, isn't there? Oh. Got break it.
Yeah, which one?
Yeah. You're number 3. How's that? Oh, nice. Nice shot.
They're in.
Nice. Oh, I'm
Middle.
yeah. I'll try. I think I can break it. Yeah. I can distract him for a little while.
Oh my god, nada.
Yeah. Very kills too. I might get to break next
No Luca, no party. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. There's a something before. We still don't have a spawn though.
We gotta get the spawn. Once we cap 3, we have to go down to their end of mag. Get the spawn from here.
Yeah.
So nade, run down to end of mag.
One guy on me.
They use. Oh, nice. Oh,
No one in it, go.
where is he?
They're not in it.
Weak.
Oh my god. I'm weak. I might die.
RPG.
Right here.
Okay, I have another shot. Now we switch. Okay, I'll take number 3. You try to pick the spawns. Oh, nice. Let's go. Got this now. Yeah,
I can't break. Oh.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Oh shit.
He's weak.
RP, okay, you lost all
Ah. He's really weak.
Going now.
They're still getting. I'm literally right there, and they're still getting the spawn. They're coming end of mag.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of weird sometimes.
Okay, middle.
Yeah.
He's one shot.
Shit. Yeah, we got it. It's the
I
9.
can't break. End of mag. There's one end of mag.
Okay. Gotcha. Wow.
Yay.
Okay, we really failed that one. One shot. Really? One shot? Okay, thank you. 2 guys. So much fail. Nice. Can we make it?
No, it's a
Can we
try.
die? No. Okay, I'll go number 1.
Oh my god, I froze.
Gotta get him out of there.
Oh my god.
What the?
Okay, how you do not go down? Okay, that's good. I was not doing that team save, but no, it's cool. You have team save.
Oh my god, you guys are mad.
That's so well built the area.
Let's go together.
Shen Dragon is one shot. Got him. Okay, let's try to. Oh my god, move!
Nade, look under you. Oh my god.
Now we have control.
Oh,
Gotta
I'll go
with it.
tomorrow.
I'll keep the mag area and shotgun.
Oh my god.
Is he weak or anything?
No.
Coming up to you.
Oh, he's so weak.
They're all over there. We need to flip.
Yeah, oh. Stop using regeneration.
Can't even go anywhere. We have to take control of something. It's not gonna work at all. We almost need a triple tap. Try to keep at it. I'm going number 3. We have to drop. Okay. Now we have a chance. Still have a chance. I might need help with 3 soon. That is so weak number 3.
Take
Okay,
that!
nice. We still have a chance.
Shotgun on me, shotgun on me.
You guys are good.
Oh, he's the worst. Oh my god, he's so shit.
We still have a chance though. Yo, he's one shot. Look, no, party. Nice.
Now they're
That's
taking
number
one.
1. Try to get number 1. I'll get number 3. We must not let them have it.
Now they have what you need.
Shit. And they spawn over here too.
I was in the hill. Oh my god.
It's one shot.
Yeah, we lost.
What's the next round? That might
Villains take the round.
get wrecked. Okay.
It took us too long to take it all over.
King of the hill.
Oh, take the hill. I'll keep Max.
They're going top to top. They're gonna try to get this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just try to keep the spawn. Okay, spawns.
Very weak.
This one guy just you.
He still killed me. He's coming back, he's really weak. Leave it, I'll get it. Leave him.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
It's okay, we got spawns.
I'm all alone here. Of course. There's still one guy behind me. I'll just
Remember, if there's no Luca, there's no party.
2 guys coming from middle. 2 guys coming from middle. Look at my head. There.
Oh no, I skynaded.
No.
Wow.
Yo, if we lose,
Villains have taken the hill.
yeah.
Nice.
Triple kill, Berry Defy.
Not
Very
this
nice
far.
triple soccer. Previous triple feeds. Much better. Okay, let's
Yeah.
slowly take other
Oh, was that the collateral?
Oh.
Taking the hill.
My God.
You heal me, help.
Why not? Yeah. Okay, that's good for us.
Someone has to break it.
The villains have taken
Oh,
the
yes,
hill.
on the hill! What cinema?
I saw the other was like in the middle.
I was in the hill.
Yeah. Oh my God, I want to catch this
Up top.
What's up?
Oh shit. I'm still alive.
There's two over there.
Oh, yeah. Cover. What the hell?
There's one shot. Oh, no. Shoot a wall.
Yeah, 3 guys.
He's weak.
Right, yeah. What? He's so weak. What the hell?
Stay downstairs. Nade.
Good
Heroes
try.
have taken the hill.
Good try.
I'll take that.
We got this wrong.
They're spawning behind.
Yeah.
I got fucking deep.
He's weak.
What's up?
Heroes take the
I know there's one.
Is it treasure hunter? Arsenal?
No.
multi-marked men.
I don't think so.
Nice. I might be able to take that one.
He's here. He's not here. He's weak. Okay. I'm gonna spawn here.
Oh, suck one shot. Sucker, do you want to attack or
I'll attack.
do you want to attack? Okay, I'll attack.
Takut lagi mah kalau attack.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, I love you.
Takut mistake.
Yeah.
They're coming. They keep coming from mag. Oh, they're all back. Alright.
Yeah. Is the marksman like hanging on
Yeah.
the hero train? Okay. I cannot use the grenade trick on him then. I cannot see anyone here. Nothing. Oh, there's one on max side. Oh my God. Okay, there's one guy max side.
Joo.
Yksi tulee keskellä. On olemassa. Se tulee tuolta oikealta.
He's one shot. Oh.
There's one guy behind the rocks.
One middle.
Where's my blind fire? Oh my God. Okay, I'll just switch the next up. Okay. Oof.
So one guy on the rock. Weak.
Okay.
He's one shot. Oh, he fell off. I shot him through the train.
There's one in the middle.
I'm getting shotgun.
Okay.
Are they all going mag or they're all taking rocks now?
This one?
Oh, Uzi train. I'm dead.
Okay.
Okay, they're coming rocks.
Okay, yeah, I see him. One shot, yeah, nice. There's one in the middle, one in the middle. They're probably using 2 attackers now, but shouldn't be too difficult to hold them on.
One guy rock.
2 guys rocks, 2 guys rocks. Yo, Soccer, you might try to kill that Markman now.
Yeah.
There's 2 guys attacking the rocks.
They're coming.
Yeah, I know. He's pretty weak. Okay, there's one more guy. Somewhere. Hold on, I'll try to kill him.
They're all going rocks now.
Oh,
Wow.
oh shit.
I can't get him, I can't get him.
Okay, please get him.
We got 2.
There. Where do I go?
Okay, just stay back, come by.
Wait, I'm coming.
They're both sides right now. Just watch the middle and watch the back.
I got him.
Yeah, 2 guys coming from here.
I know.
Nice.
Okay.
Good win, good win, good win.
Heroes
Okay, we gotta get this one. Treasure?
Yeah. What kind of a title spawn is that? Like, right on the villain spawn.
That's so stupid, what the hell?
Stop.
Okay, now we just gotta, don't worry about them.
Yeah.
I'll go from max.
Wow, just what I need.
Okay, let's rush together. So weak. Okay, let's go.
10 drug on me. Oh,
They're running, they're running.
Yeah.
Bring it back up, bring it back up.
It's on villain spawn.
Just go in there, get one throw, go in there, get one throw, right here, right here.
Yeah. There. Well, we don't have a spawn. Well, I don't know.
Okay, well, I don't think they have it either. Oh no, we don't. Okay, bring it back down then. I was right there.
But now they're just spawning there. Slightly. Or not.
Yeah.
I don't know where they're spawning. Oh, there's a middle. Yo, I need help soon. What the hell did I do? I tried
No.
to throw a grenade, but I'm such a noob. There's one in the middle grenade.
Aww. 2 guys middle.
Okay. Holy shit, you. Oh my god.
Luke is weak, he's weak, he's weak.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm spawning with them. That makes no sense.
Now we should be able
You
to
guys
spawn on the
middle.
other side. Yeah.
Yeah.
10 drug on weak.
Where?
What? Rock. 2 guys rock.
Okay. Nice. Nice. There's one guy on RB.
Whoa!
Oh.
That one right by.
I think he still has one shot.
Yeah, he has
Behind
one.
the box.
Okay, he has nothing left.
I got him.
Oh. That works.
1 guy mad, weak.
Yeah, I hit him once, but I turned it.
Oh,
Rocks two. Throw it out, throw it.
Yeah, oh, I gotta kill that
Go
guy.
back, spawn.
We
What
should
kind of nod?
we should try and next time if they get there, throw it on top of the train.
Yeah, I know. I made a mistake.
No, it's okay.
Try to throw a common drop or something there. I think you should be able to do that.
So I tried. He's running out though.
Oh,
10 drug on weak.
what the hell? He's so...
I still spawn here.
And I me too. What the fuck? Nice throw.
It should be open right now.
Go.
Oh nice.
Oh my god.
There's only one left.
Those are the longest down ever.
Head up.
Wow, corner shooting with Regan.
Hot?
See, they're spawning behind us. Okay, let's keep it here, keep it here, keep it here. Go, 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 go. Pick it up. We have to pick it up now.
No. Okay,
Then
we
drag
still
it.
have a chance.
Why is it spawning next to me?
Okay, run, 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 run.
I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm so weak. They're coming, they're coming. Oh my god. Oh, please.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was ridiculous.
All the time. I was weak. Oh,
That was crazy. Jesus.
that was
Look how much we outslayed them.
that clutch though.